Hope everyone's having a good day today. Just in my garage here. Gonna show you guys what I've been working on. Things kind of going slow. Can't really walk very good. Just trying to get over here to the saw. This is the new 500i. This thing's awesome. Got the West Coast bark box on it and their felling dogs. They make a big difference. 28-inch bar, full comp chain, full chisel. Here's a little tour of the shop. This is the bike that I'm rebuilding. Got run over last September by a car, cut me off head-on collision. Got the front wheel on it, still got to do the spacing. But it'll be a sweet ride when it's done again. Here's a look at this thing's a beast. It really goes. Look at all the junk I got in here. My wife's gonna kill me.